is the best thing ever. Slime this, slime that. And today we just bought all of these Elmer's glue slime and we're going to test it out. And there's so many, I don't even know which one to try. So we're going to do it now. So the first thing I'm going to start is this one. Wait, hold on. I want to start with the blue one. Okay, I'm going to start with the blue one, which is right over here. And this is basically a blue one. Let's see if we can test this out. Dang, this thing. So we're going to go ahead and test it out. Whoa. Okay, let's open this up. Oh, hold on. Let's see if we can open this. Let's see. It's blue. That is cool. That is so cool. That is all blue. That is literally blue. That smells good. Oh my god. Creator, smell this. Does it smell good?
Oh, it smells like blueberry.
Blueberry, I know. It smells so good, and it's all blue. I don't know what did they made this thing out of. Oh my god. I don't know what did they made this thing out of, but this is really cool. So we're going to go ahead and go to the next one. Up next. Okay, the next one we're going to do the orange. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do it. Whoa, that looks so cool, isn't it? So we're going to go ahead and open this up. See how it looks. Whoa. Whoa, guys. Whoa, hold on. Let me try to get this thing. Oh, this hole. Wait, is that banana? That smells like a banana. This literally... Wait, it smells like a banana. What? Where did they get these smells at? This thing smells like a banana. That is awesome. Let's see, can we stretch it? That is so cool. I like this. And this is the Unicorn Magic Elmer's Glue. This is the brand new one. And let's see. It's gonna make some fart sounds, so prepared. I like this. So we're gonna go inside the next one, which is this is a clear one. This one is called Unicorn Better. Let's see if we can open it. So we're gonna go ahead and do the Unicorn Better. We're gonna go ahead and open this one up. It's kind of hard to open. Okay, finally. Took forever. Okay, so we done it. Let's see. Why did you do that? Okay, so wait. Go ahead and check it out. This looks so clear. It kind of looks like there's nothing in it. Come on. So that's what we got. You guys can see. What?
Put some glitter on that one.
No, I don't want to get glitter on it. I want to have putty on it. I like putty, so yeah. We don't need this. But this is actually clear. I like clear stuff. So Actually, this is actually pretty cool. I think this is the best one ever. It's like so clear. This is like the clear ones. So we're gonna go ahead and move on to the next one. Let's see. It's gonna make some fart sounds. I already know it.
Look at that.
It's so farty. Okay. Which is this one. So this one is the Elmer's glue. What is this? The Elmer's glue what?
Cosmic Shimmer.
Cosmic Shimmer, which is really cool. Okay, I'm ready. This is actually a green. What? This is so cool. Oh my god, oh my god, I like this. This is the best one. I like this one. Look how cool this is. It even does the same thing as the other ones. You guys can see. Can you guys see me? Like if you can see it, dislike if you can't see me. That's actually so cool. Wow. That is actually so cool. That is actually so cool. Wee, that is so cool. I like this one. This is like my most favorite one, even the blue one. That is so cool. I'll play this later, and I'm gonna go do the other ones. It's gonna start to fart, cause if you always put them in. What is this? This is kind of like a Halloween color thing. Green.
That's like the cosmic.
Cosmic what?
The cosmic, basically out in space.
Yeah, it's like out in space. It's farting. I like the fart sounds. This is actually so cool. So let's close it up and go to the next one. This one is another one called Cosmic Shiver or Cosmic Summer. Does it say?
Shimmer.
Shimmer.
That's the blue shimmer.
Yeah, this is the blue one. If we can open this. And this is like a dark blue. This is wow. Oh my god, that is so cool. Oh my goodness, that is actually so cool. And it's starting to float. We're gonna do whee! Music time! Music time. I don't even know. Okay, so this is, I like this one. This kind of looks like purple, but it's all blue. Like, I don't know, it's so blue. Let's see. No farts, I would fart. Okay, hear the fart, cut the music off, and no more fart. Why is there no fart? No fart. There are no farts. Don't know why there's no more farts. So so the next one we're gonna do the Cosmic Shiver, which is the, what do you call it?
That's the pink one.
This is the pink one or yellow one, whatever. I don't know. What? What? What does it smell like? Wait a minute. What does this one smell like? Oh my god, that is actually cool. I like that. I literally like that.
It smells like
What is that? Space?
It smells like blueberry.
Blueberry, wow, another one, blueberry.
And the green one you had?
I can't open
That smells like strawberry.
Strawberry, wait, what? Wait a minute, what? That smells good.
And for all those, not to open these up with your teeth.
Okay, we're gonna get this. Oh my god, Critter, come over here. How does it smell like? What does it smell like, Critter?
That smells like cherry strawberry.
Cherry? Oh my goodness. That smells so good. Oh my god. Let's take this out. This is the shimmer yellow one.
That's the gold red.
Gold red one. Whoa. It keeps going. Oh, it stops there. And the rest of it is on the bottom. Let's see. This one is actually so cool. How long can it stretch? That's my question. That's how long it can stretch. And then it breaks in pieces. I like it because it smells so good. I literally like these. Whoa. These are like the best ones by far. My favorite ones is the blue one and then the gold one. The gold one is like the best one. Whoa. Let's see, can I pop this? Let's see if we can pop it. Whee, balloon pop, yay. This is so cool. I'm gonna rate this a 10 out of 10. So we're gonna rate these. So when we put this, wait, cut the music off. Please no music. Wait, let's cheat a little bit. We're gonna cheat. We're gonna go ahead and cheat. Flarp! Flarp! Flarp. Flarp. Hold on. Open up. And then... This makes more fart noise than the slime. So I'm gonna rate this 11 out of 15 for the farting. So we're gonna go ahead and rate all of these to see which one were my favorites, especially these ones. These are the best ones. So this one don't count because it's just like a not a slime. It's just a farting putty thing. So we're gonna go ahead and rate. So the first one, which one did I did first? Oh, okay, so the blue one. I'm gonna rate this a 9 out of 10 because it literally looks so cool. And then the second one, which is the green, I think green. I will rate this a, wait, hold on. I will rate this one a...
What was the yellow one? The yellow one was next.
Oh, wait, this one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so the yellow one, I'm going to rate this one a 10 out of a 10. And then the unicorn better, I'm going to rate this a 11 out of 10. And then this, did I already do this one? I already did this one. And then this one, I will give this one a 15 out of 10. And then this one, I will give 16 out of 10. So at least we rate my question is, how much can these stand without falling? So let's see. How much can it stand without falling? Do you think it will fall, Creator? I would think it will fall. Wait, this is upside down. It did not fall! Oh my god, play some sad music. We played some sad music. This is so depressing. But guys, if you like all these slime, especially this one, and this one, and all the other ones that I can't fit in my hands, I'll link them all in the description below, and I will link this one in the first the first description below. And I hope you guys have a happy Easter, and thank you for watching. Bye.